Good morning, everybody. It's Bobby from Bobby's Hobbies. And yes, I am out here and it is cold. But I am myself doing pretty well because I have this crazy. That's right. Look how great this hat is. It's incredible. Keeps you totally warm. So, anyway, what am I doing out here? Well, I'm making, even though it's early morning, I'm making my dinner for later so I don't have to cook later. Now, I've drizzled on some olive oil, and this is minimalist. I'm going to call this minimalist cooking because in effect what I'm doing is doing this the most essential way, not fancy. It's certainly not fancy. Now, why am I putting olive oil? I'm putting olive oil because you need that for all this other good stuff to stick on it. Probably should put a little more olive oil, but like I said, it's minimalist, and it's kind of violating all the rules doing it in the dish. But hey, you know what? It's out here and it's cold. There's a lot of, you could imagine all the better ways you could do this. We'll get that later. But all right, now we have this, so we're going to spread out our pork chops. Okay. We've got our little napkin here to get some of this oil off my fingers. And I've got all kinds of stuff. Now, the main ingredient, or I should say condiment or spice, is, salt. Right. Then we got our black pepper. Little pepper. Now paprika. Wow, this is, the top's breaking off there. It's funny, the top was breaking off my snowblower too. And then we have this crazy garlic herb mixture. It just smells so good that as soon as you put it on, you want to eat. You get hungry. It's like instantly make you hungry. I'm gonna turn this over. See how everything sticks on there? Let's go back. We're gonna go back with the black pepper. Wind coming up. A little more salt. Ooh, that was a lot. Close that out. Close that out. Paprika with the broken top. Close that out. And now the garlic. Now, they're not perfectly spiced every single spot, I know, but it's amazing how much flavor is in what it has. And now, the pied de resistance, the Italian breadcrumbs, for a flavor that just can't be beat. We want to get some of these breadcrumbs on the other side. It's a little cold out here. It's cold, and the grease from the pork chop is like solidifying on my fingertips. Okay. That seems to be done. All right, now. Ooh, well, that one's dirty. We don't need that one right now. The magnet caught it. See, there's a big magnet on the side. Okay, these are ready to go on the already hot grill. But now we're going to lower the heat. Okay, that'll take a few minutes. Hey, thanks for watching so much, and I hope you're enjoying the channel and trying to get better, and just enjoy the beautiful winter day. All right.